Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to charge DJI Lito X1 drone itself. So if you have just one battery and a drone, and that you don't have this charging station here and more batteries, you can charge this drone this way, that you can plug in here USB-C. As you can see right here, you can put it in just like that, and you will charge basically the battery in drone right here. And yeah, this is how you can charge drone by itself. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.